Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Yeah, so you already know it. I'm gonna test out the cameras on this Moto G Fast. I'm shooting this in 4K at 30 frames per second. Just walking. How the stabilization is, how does everything look? Again, how does I sound? This phone is $199, but let's see what it can do. In this video, I'm gonna just do some 4K, 1080p at 60 and 30, and I'm gonna just do some photos during the day and nighttime. And y'all can make y'all decision on if these cameras are any good or are they completely trash. When you make that decision, just remember how much the phone is. No excuses though. What I'm seeing on the viewfinder, it looks okay. It might be a little shaky though, because the budget phones never have the greatest stabilization on these phones at all. I've been using it for a few days and it's pretty good. I mean, it's a Moto phone, so I know what I'm used to, and I know I like Moto phones, but you know, can these cameras do? Is it a trap phone? I don't know. Let's get a discussion going in the comments. But y'all let me know what y'all thought about this part of the video. I'm going to come back at 1080p at 60. Until then, peace. Alright everyone, so this is 1080p at 60 frames per second. Yes, I'm at my little park in Texas. How's the wind? Again, how's the audio? Yes, it's so dry in Texas that my little pond is drying up over here. I'm supposed to be underwater right now, or at least stepping in it, and I'm walking on dry ground. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I'm gonna go walk, see the stabilization. I want to zoom into. That zoom looks kind of horrible, but I don't know. Do y'all zoom in on y'all videos at all? I'm gonna hold the phone and try not to step on a snake or anything, but y'all let me know how this whole video was. How did y'all like the 4K? Again, how's the mics? I won't know that until I get it onto a computer. But slow pan of the Texas skyline. Look at that grass. What y'all think? I don't know. I think the camera, by what I'm seeing right now, looks pretty good. Maybe I should do a comparison between the Moto G7. But y'all let me know what y'all want. I would definitely do it. We'll come back at 1080p at 30 frames in just a minute. Until then, I'm out. Peace. Okay, everyone. So this is 1080p at 30 frames per second. Yes, I'm still at my little park. What y'all think? I'm just holding the camera or the phone and just walking around. Again, how was the audio from the other part of the videos and this one? What y'all thought about the 4K and also the 1080p at 60 frames? Let's see if we have any type of focusing problems. Nah, that actually looked pretty good. But what y'all think? I don't know. It looks pretty good by what I'm seeing on the phone itself. But you're not really comparing to anybody. How's a truck got down here? A truck is actually coming this way. That's weird. I've never seen a truck on the ground before, because I don't know how they're going to get up. Especially with my van blocking the way. But again, y'all let me know what y'all thought about it. I'm going to come back with some photos and also some nighttime video too. Until then, peace. I'm out of here. Alright everyone, so I lied. That truck kind of drew me off. I am coming back with the front-facing video. Not the photos yet. The photos will be next. But what y'all thought about the 4K and the 1080p footage from this phone? This is the front-facing camera. I'm shooting it at 1080p at 30 frames. I don't know, how do I look and how do I sound? Can you use this phone as a vlogging camera? I don't know. Y'all let me know. How does that background look? Look at the sky. Sometimes it blows it out. Sometimes it doesn't. Look, straight into the sun. Actually, that looks pretty good right now. I guess. But y'all let me know. I'm gonna come back with the photos. That way we can see what type of photos this phone can actually take. Because the video doesn't look bad. I mean, is it expert? Is it my V60? No, look, directly into the sun now. Can't see where I'm walking. But y'all let me know how this whole video was. Like I said, I'm gonna come back with the photos, and then after that, I'm gonna even do some nighttime video. Just to see how it does. It doesn't have night mode on the photos, so I don't know how they're gonna turn out. Probably not the greatest. But again, let's get a discussion going. What y'all think about the cameras so far on this Moto G Fast? Yeah, Moto has a lot of phones coming out. I don't know why it keeps on switching. I guess because of how the way I hold it. But let's get a discussion going. Stay tuned to the photos. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is the nighttime video for the Moto G Fast. What do y'all think about the daytime video? Yes, I'm shooting this in 4K at 30 frames per second. Yes, I'm in my famous little parking lot, shopping center, or whatever you want to call it. But what y'all thought about the whole video? Are these cameras worth it? For me, like, it's $199. I think a lot of people that would buy this phone, a lot of consumers that would buy it, would enjoy the cameras, and it will get the job done for what most people would buy the phone for. Now, if you are a heavy user, if you're, used to the Pixel 4 cameras or the Galaxies of the world, then yeah, you may notice a slight quality difference. But I think for everyday consumers, regular Joes out there, I think they will enjoy the cameras and the overall performance of the phone. But y'all let me know, are there other phones at this price point that will do a better job? I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Yes, I think it's struggling with the nighttime. One thing too, I'm gonna come with the photos. It doesn't have a night mode on here, so we're gonna see what we get, and we're not gonna throw a fit. Also, I'm gonna do a front facing camera too, but check out these photos really quick.